All right, so I want to show you just how easy it is to create your new NFT affiliate website using our software. So I'm just logged into my account here, and all I need to do is come over here to my sites, and I will create a new site, and I'm going to name my site NFT Planet. So I put that in there, and then all I simply need to do is click build site, and the software will go out and completely build my site for me. So you see, just like that, my site is created. If I come over here, I can view my new website. So you can see just like that, my new website has been created. If I scroll down here, I can see all of the NFT content and some crypto content that's been added to my site. If I click on any of these, I can see it went ahead and brought in a featured image. It has the title, it has all of the content done for me, and also my affiliate ads are already in there. So again, just in a matter of seconds, I have a complete NFT website ready to go with the built-in ads already done. Now, of course, I can make tons of changes to it. One of them I can do is I can come in here to my settings. I can change the content feed, so maybe I want some different content down there. You're in complete control of that. I can simply pop in other content feeds and those will be added to our site. I can go to my advertisements, and let's say I want to promote different affiliate programs than what are showing on here. So we have all of these affiliate programs built into the software. So let's say I didn't want to promote eToro, I can simply make those inactive, and let's say instead I wanted to promote Coinbase. So I can activate any of those. Maybe I want to promote some of these NFT deal sites. I can click those, and then I just simply save my advertisements, and those will get changed on the site for me. So if I go and take a look at the site here, you can see now we have the Coinbase ad, and if I scroll down here, we have the NFT and another Coinbase ad. So I'm in complete control of those, and to profit from those, all I have to do is go over to programs. I can take any of those. I just simply pop in my affiliate link. We have the apply links here for you. I put in my affiliate link and I'm all set and ready to go. And now remember, this site will keep growing day after day after day. It's going to constantly scan those content feeds and add any new content to the site. In addition, I can go to the settings. I can change the name of the site. I can change the headline, change the colors. Maybe I want a different banner image. I can do that. I can enter in some social links here, and I can also change the SEO features down here as well. And if I have some of my own content I want to add to the site, I can do that as well by simply creating a blog post. I can enter in my own content, pop it right in these boxes, hit publish, and that's on my site as well. So again, in just a matter of seconds, you could have your complete NFT affiliate website set up and ready to go, and you can start profiting from this growing market and actually start earning some cryptocurrency from your promotions as well, because many of these affiliate programs will actually pay you in crypto if you want. So it's an easy way to start earning some crypto and being one of the first people to jump into this NFT market.